Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make circle text in Photoshop. So let's get started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see circle text. Now you go into the toolbar option. Now you can see. Then you show many toolbar. Now you can see, now select from shape tool. Now click from circle erase tool. Now click. Now go into the shape fill option. Now select from path option. Now draw a circle path. Now you can see, then again the toolbar option. Now select from text tool. Now click from path in the click the text. Now type with text. Now you can see, then we show the now select from text and change the size. Then I going to the move tool option. Now change from the color. Now going to the text tool. Now select from text. Now click going to the color option. Now select from color. Now click OK. That is. Now you can see make circle text in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.